You're gonna be busy at school, anak. Close your mouth.
Not me.
Close your mouth. Jilana, oops, we'll be done soon.
Here one more. Nom.
Ayan, thank you, Chay.
Ayan.
Ay, Diyos may momo pala. Ayan, salamat. May momo. Jilana, there's momo.
You better do that. I did something.
Ayan na naman. Ay, sino ba yung mga yan? Ano ngayon, nag-hello siya. Si Raulo. Oo, hi baby. Viewers, oo nga.
You better today.
Whose birthday, anak? Momo nga, amaw.
Nom. You better today now. Nom. I want more.
You want more cheese? You like more cheese?
Just it.
More cheese? Okay. Night boat. Ano na naman to? Are you done now? Where's your baby? Are you gonna go to your Barbie? Oo, ngayon sina Jane lang. What are you doing?
I can it.
Give it to Dad.
But I just have water.
You got lots of water. Okay, go to your bestie now. Allah.
Look at this.
Oo. Okay, have Daddy open it. My hand cannot open it. Mhm.
Do you want how to do this?
Show me. Okay. You want me help you?
Wait, he did into the ark.
No. Oh, about this one.
No, I told you.
I think there's an open one. Let me see. Let me open it.
Oh no. Eva.
Let me open it.
Eva, no, Eva. Oh yeah, Winnie, no. Winnie. Not Winnie. Mom.
Say please. Bye-bye. Oo, bye. Diyos mo, malapit na magpasko, guys. Busy. Ala, sino na ito baboso? Ayan, gawin lang natin 60. Ayan, pag nag-60 na. Ayan. Oh, ilang days na lang. Ang bilis, no? Diyos me, 2 months na lang. Pasko na naman. Tapos 2026. 2025, 2024 pala ngayon.